All right, hey guys. Our next Minion project, you guys are going to learn about iconic symbols and symbolism and why it's important to get things right and not disappoint people, because it is an important thing. We're also going to talk about alignment and talking about exact dimensions and getting things right in this unit. You can see our project, we're recreating the American flag. All right, we've learned how to make shapes. We learned about different fonts, and now we are going to recreate things as we move forward to get into Illustrator. One of the most important things that we're going to be using is our research skills and finding the dimensions of the flag. All right, so the dimensions of the American flag, I've got this file here. I'm going to just drag and drop that into my Illustrator file so I can see. Let's resize that. Always hold Shift, especially right now since we're trying to get this flag right. All right, 26 inches wide, 13.75 inches tall. Each star is 0.84 inches. This is a good reference. All right, there's a bit of spacing there between those stars, but they can't be perfect, I suppose. I've created my stars. All right, as you can see, I've created my stars. And when I created my stars, all right, I created them individually. All right, there's a number of different ways to create. Notice, being that an American flag star has got that flat base, it's important to get that flat base. So when you recreate your star, try to get that flat base. There's a certain measurement to be able to get that, and we can talk about that later. All right. I've already aligned. I've already aligned my stars. All right, but what's nice, you can lock. You see, as I'm clicking things are moving around. You can lock things into place by holding Command 2. All right, now when I click, that's locked. To unlock is Command Option 2. It'll unlock everything, but then you have to go and relock. All right, all I want is to access my stars, so I'm going to highlight everything else, Command 2, and then now when I grab my stars, all I'm grabbing is my stars. All right, these are in rows and columns. When I hold on to these stars, I can highlight all of these ones. Up here is Align, or I can go to Window, Align to show my Align board. These are our Align object, and these will distribute objects. We'll talk about both. All right, the align objects, it's going to line them up on the left margin, the right margin, or the center margin, or top, bottom, and middle. So if I move them all onto the center margin, they're all going to line up on center. All right, if I do this, they're all going to line up in that direction. And what's nice about the distribution is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars here. I know where my first and last star is. If the rest I was just copying and pasting, that's the bell. If I was just copying and pasting, arbitrarily, I can grab this row of stars, align them horizontally, and then distribute them evenly on a horizontal axis. So as watch the stars, they're going to distribute evenly. All right. Let's do the same for these ones. Well, why do I have 7 stars? Oh, I'm missing one. There we go. Put that one there. Highlight those again and distribute them evenly. And then I'm going to grab those stars, distribute them evenly. All right. Move that one. I can align. I can grab these ones, make sure those are aligned, and now distribute those evenly. Once I have these first 2 rows done, let's say I was just completing the first 2 rows. Once I have the first 2 rows done, I can copy and paste by Command V or copy in front, and I can hold Shift and down, and I can move those down. Copy front, Shift and move down. Another way to copy is to hold click Option and then just drag, and that will duplicate my image. All right, and then lastly, I believe there's a row of 6 on the bottom. Copy front, Command F, Drag those down to the bottom. All right. And then I can center these things pretty nicely. All right. And as I zoom out, that's a pretty good looking American flag. All right. Enjoy. Make sure you save your file as a AI and then save as a your project to turn in as a PDF. Enjoy.